SakerPlus dashcam review. Is it worth buying or a scam? Today I tested it out and here's what happened. And if you're thinking about getting a dashcam but don't want to waste money on something useless, this will help you decide fast whether SakerPlus is worth it. SakerPlus is sold as a simple dashcam for everyday drivers. It is meant to record what happens on the road so you have proof in case of accidents, close calls, or strange situations. It is made for people who want basic protection without paying for a high-end camera. Setting it up is easy. The camera is mounted on the windshield using the included mount. It is then plugged into the car for power. Once turned on, it usually starts recording by itself when the car starts. There are no complicated steps, which makes it friendly even for someone who has never used a dashcam before. Video quality is one of the most important parts. During the day, the footage is clear enough to see cars, lanes, and signs. It is not movie-level sharp, but it does the main job, which is showing what happened on the road. At night, quality drops a bit. Headlights and streetlights can cause glare, and details are not always sharp, but movement and main actions are still visible. Recording is automatic. Once the car is on, it starts recording and saves clips in short loops. When the memory card gets full, it deletes the oldest videos and keeps the newest ones. This means you do not have to keep deleting files by hand. Some models include motion or impact detection. If the car is hit or shaken, it can save that clip so it is not erased. This is helpful for parking lot accidents or sudden stops. Ease of use is one of its strongest points. Buttons are simple, menus are basic, and it does not take long to learn how to use it. It is made for people who want to plug it in and forget it style. There are limits. It is not a premium dash cam. The screen is small, the build feels light, and the video is not super sharp. If you want crystal clear night video or fancy features, this will feel basic. So is it worth buying or a scam? It is not a scam. It does record, save video, and work as a dash cam. But it is also not a high-end product. It is a budget option meant for simple recording, not professional quality footage. Who is it best for? It fits drivers who want basic proof in case something happens and do not want to spend a lot. It is not for people who expect top-level video, strong night recording, or advanced features. If the goal is simple protection, easy setup, and low cost, SakerPlus makes sense. If the goal is the best video and premium features, it will likely disappoint. So the honest answer is this. SakerPlus is not magic and it is not fake. It does what a basic dashcam should do. Just go in knowing it is a simple tool, not a high-end camera.